I have several video segments of these heifers. Again, we're up in the Sandhills, Nebraska. Heifers are prepared to AI the 15th, 16th of May. Again, there's 1,500 plus in the offering on the 1,600. 250 are Hereford, Angus, Black Baldies, and the rest are Angus. Oh, again, they are already started on those. Really nice functional cows. You know, I travel quite a bit, obviously. Travel a lot. I was in South Texas yesterday, now I'm in Nebraska, but it's hard to find this big a group of heifers that are synchronized, that this big a deal, because most of these guys last fall, the calf market was so good, a lot of the ranchers sold their calves because the calf market was so good. So it's hard to find this big numbers. And heifers ready for bulls have been in one program, so it's pretty cool. Nice group of cattle. Again, they're in their working clothes. They are feeding them, but they obviously don't like really a hot ration, so that you know they don't get too fat and can cycle. Grazing corn stalks, I have probably 8-ish. Distiller's grain and ground whole. It's solid distiller's grain and ground hay, basically. You know, I'm trying to take enough video footage where you feel like you're analyzing cattle, not just Montgomery and I. Quick cutters kind of easy. Again, we're here in the Sandhills, Nebraska, ranching country. Obviously, these cattle are all native cattle. This one's cattle camping. There's Sandhill, Nebraska Angus. He built a tremendous herd off these ladies. I'm Clayton the Heifers. Thank time evaluating this video of these fine ladies here in Heifers, Nebraska.